and focus in on Japanese beverages group Kirin Holdings because they've increased their stake in B9 Beverages, which is close to 20% from 10% by investing an additional 570 crore rupees. This is essentially the owner of BIRA91. Let's take it across then to my colleague Sharad, who joins in with more perspective. Sharad?
Well, yes, apart from all the gloom surrounding in the startup space, here a very nice bright spot coming in, and over here Japanese beverage group Kirin Holdings has increased their stake. Now they have increased it by almost 10%, the stake coming in at almost 570 odd crore rupees. Now what will be the funds used for? This will be for the expansion of 2 breweries which will be expanding their global presence as well. And do remember, this is one of the largest fundraise the company has done in recent times. Now let's look at the post-deal valuation, what it lies for BIRA91, and over here we see the valuations are coming in between $550 million to almost $600 million. The valuations are coming at. Now the beer market's expectations, the current market size is pegged at almost $8 billion and is expected to rise to almost $20 billion in the year 2030 itself. Now going ahead, BIRA91 in focus, it's the 4th largest brewing company in India, and it's spread across 550 towns and 18 major cities and also countries. Now do remember that other investors include Sequoia Capital and Sofina of Belgium for the company, and the last month the company itself was in news because it had acquired Beer Café, and over the last 2 years itself the market share has doubled for the company. Now the market capitalization of the beer players, that is something which you should watch out for, and of course the market leader is United Breweries with almost 44,000 crores in market capitalization, and for BIRA91 the range is almost 1/10 of it, between 4,400 to 4,800 crores, followed by small market capitalization in the listed space such as GM Breweries and Som Distilleries. And lastly, who are the competitors for BIRA91 in the pubs, in the bars? Let's look at the brands. Over here we have United Breweries, Carlsberg, Budweiser, and all these brands which are going against BIRA91.
Interesting. Thanks very much for throwing light on the kind of competition, and maybe, that is some interesting perspective that we're getting within the entire beverage space.